The T-fal Experience Nonstick Fry Pan 8-inch is a great addition to any kitchen. It makes cooking easier and faster. The non-stick surface is like a superhero. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. You can even put it in the dishwasher. This pan is also safe to use in the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So, you can start cooking on the stovetop and finish in the oven. This T-fal Experience Nonstick Fry Pan 8 is very versatile. This 8-inch pan is perfect for small meals. It's great for cooking eggs in the morning. You can also use it to sauté vegetables or sear seafood. The non-stick coating has several layers. These layers help to distribute heat evenly. This means your food will cook without hot spots. The pan heats up quickly and efficiently. You will save time and energy. The handle is designed for a comfortable grip. It stays cool while you are cooking. You can confidently flip your food like a pro chef. Overall, the T-fal Experience Nonstick Fry Pan 8 is a reliable pan. It offers good value for its price. It is durable and easy to use. While it might not turn a kitchen disaster into a gourmet feast every time, it certainly helps. It makes everyday cooking simpler. Many times, you will find it's the pan you reach for first. It's a dependable tool for any home cook. This T-fal Experience Nonstick Fry Pan 8 is a vent for culinary creativity. It helps you unlock delicious flavor without the fuss. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: oven safe to 400 F, dishwasher safe, easy to clean, good for eggs, versatile for cooking. 8-inch size, black color, home kitchen use, skillet type, pots and pans. Cons: non-stick wears down, size might be small, oven safe to 400 F only, coating can scratch, not. Metal utensil safe, hand wash recommended, uneven heating possible, handle may get hot. Non-stick degrades over time, potential for warping features. Non-stick 8-inch, induction, oven safe, fry pan, skillet, egg pan, dishwasher safe, black. This black 8-inch T-fal Experience Nonstick Fry Pan is great for everyday cooking. It works on all stovetops, even induction, and you can put it in the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-stick surface helps food slide off easily, and it's safe to wash in the dishwasher, making cleanup simple. This pan is a useful addition to any kitchen for making eggs, frying, or cooking smaller meals. This 8-inch T-fal Experience Nonstick Fry Pan is a black skillet suitable for home kitchens and is induction compatible. It's oven safe up to 400 degrees F and dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean and versatile for cooking various foods, including eggs. However, the non-stick coating can wear down and scratch, especially with metal utensils, so hand washing is recommended. The small size might not be suitable for larger meals, and uneven heating or a hot handle are possible. While convenient, the non-stick properties may degrade over time, and there's a potential for warping.